in action here on the T-Bird. We have our belts placed. Everything's ready to go there. Our radiator is in its spot. We're gonna work on our heater hoses first, get all that done. Do some vacuum line work back there, and then we'll finish with our radiator hoses, buttoning up everything up here, filling it with coolant, then some minor electrical. All of our heater hoses are now in and routed, way nicer than they were previously. Now we gotta get it from here. Get our plug wires done. Pull the radiator back out for a minute. Got the lower hose in and nice where I want it. Just got two hoses. I can fill it with coolant. All of our hoses are now hooked up on the cooling system. We are filling. These always take a while to fill up. So while we're doing that, we're gonna wire up our coil.